So in 14c, just like in A and B, to figure out if we have one of the factors for this expression as x plus y, why don't we just factor this and see if it does or not. So before we factor, look at this term and this term, like terms. And look at this term, well not this term, and this term, like terms. So we can actually simplify this. So we have x squared y plus x squared y, which is 2x squared y. 6y is alone. And then minus 9xy plus xy is minus 8xy. Alright, so now what do you notice about all three terms? They all share a common factor of 2 and a y. And what happens when we factor that out? We get x squared. Here all we're left is 3. And here we're left with minus 4x. Now let's rearrange this from the highest degree to the lowest degree. And what do you notice? X squared minus 4x plus 3. Our simple trinomial factoring that we need to do here. As you can see, this is a trinomial, so we can use our method. So we need two numbers whose sum is minus 4 and whose product is 3. P for products, S for sum. Obviously, the two numbers are minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 times minus 1 is 3, and minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So this factors into x minus 3 and x minus 1. So is x plus y a factor? It's not. This is not x plus y, this is not x plus y, or this is not x plus y. Which means that since there's no x plus y here, x plus y is not a factor.